Okay, let's see question 5 here. A drawing competition had been conducted for celebrating Hari Malaysia in a school. So Cikgu Fata wants to display the drawings, yeah? Wants to display the drawings on 8-meter wall that on the right of each drawing has a 10 cm distance, yeah? So there are 50 cm and 70 cm length of drawing papers. He wants to display at least 8 pieces of drawings. So what do you do? Can you imagine how is the drawing to be displayed? Okay, so first, before that, given x is the number of drawings with 50, yeah, and y is the 70, the length is 70, write the system of linear inequalities. So first you have to know, to imagine first, yeah, how is it displayed. So let's see, this is the wall, and this is the drawings, the 50 cm and also the 70 cm. So this one on the right, the distance must be 10, yeah, on the right 10, and then 8 meter, yeah. So you have to add, yeah? You have to add 50, this 50, the drawing, 50, the length with 50 cm, you have to add 10, yeah? 10 cm because of the distance, this one. And also the 70, also you have to plus 10, yeah? Only then you times with the number of drawings, yeah? And it must be less or equal to 800, because 800 is actually this one, 800 cm. Yeah, cannot be more. Yeah? So you simplify it, you'll get this one and this one. Okay, this is the first linear inequality. The second one will be which one? This one, 8 pieces. He wants to display at least 8 pieces. So your x plus y must be equal to 8 or more than 8. Yeah, so you can write first like this and then second like this. So this is your second linear inequality. Yeah. So number 2 is you draw the graph. Yeah, you draw the graph with the scale 2 cm to 2 cm to 2 pieces of drawing, yeah, for x and y axis. So before you draw, you have to have your table. This is your, for this equation, this is your table, and this is the second equation. Okay, then this is the scale. Yeah, this is the scale that you use. 2 cm, 2 cm is 2 pieces. Yeah, this is also 2 cm, 2 pieces. Yeah, so the scale is right. So you draw, this is the graph that you draw. Yeah, and this is the common region. Okay, hope you get it. And this is the equation, first and second equation. Okay. Okay, next question is based on the graph. Yeah, could 4 pieces of drawing with the length of 50 and 5 pieces of drawing with the length of 70 can be displayed on the wall? So you have to look at the graph. You have to look at the graph. So your 4 pieces is your x. Yeah. And your 5 pieces is your y. Okay. So you just mark the point here, and Of course, it is in the region. Yeah, it is in the region here, and it can be displayed on the wall. This one, yes, it can be displayed on the wall because it is in the region. Yeah. Okay. So question 3 for this one. This is in Chilim use X tiles and Y small tiles X, big tiles is Y. Decorate the kitchen. Okay, the decoration budget is based on the following condition. So first one, total tiles not more than 150 pieces. Second, this one, number of small tiles cannot exceed 4 times the number of big tiles. And the last one is this one, the number of big tiles cannot exceed the number of small tiles by 10 pieces. So you have to write 3 linear inequalities. So I've done it for you, this one. Yeah, x plus y is less than or equal to 150, yeah, because the total tiles, okay, not more, should be less. And then for number 2, it is the number of small tiles cannot exceed 4 times the number of big tiles, this one. So actually x cannot exceed 4 times y, yeah, but you can write it in this formula, yeah. Okay, you know how it become this, I don't need to show to you. Okay, for number 3, the number of big tiles cannot exceed the number of small tiles by more than 10 pieces. So this is the answer, yeah. Do you get it? Cannot exceed the number of small tiles, yeah, by 10 pieces. So x plus 10, y must be less or equal to x plus 10. Next, this one you have to draw the graph, yeah. Use the scale given, and this is the equation, and this is the graph, yeah. This is the graph that you get, yeah. Remember 2 cm 20, this 2 cm also 20 scale, remember the scale. So this is the shaded common region. Okay. Next question, use the graph, find the maximum number of small tiles that can be used. So refer to your graph. Maximum number of small tiles will be where? Will be here, yeah, 120, because this is the small tiles. Maximum is here only, yeah, at the end of the shaded region. So answer is 120. Number 2, the total maximum cost for both tiles if the cost of a small tile and big tile is RM2 and RM4 respectively. So what do you do? This is the point that you'll get maximum cost, yeah, because here your y is 80. This is the highest value for your y, yeah, because y is cost more, 4 ringgit. The big tiles, yeah, the y is for the big tiles. So we take the maximum value for big tiles is 80 because you want the maximum cost, okay. So what do? Your 2x plus 4y, you want to calculate how much. So because you have already picked this point, yeah, so you just substitute this one and this one, and you'll get 460, the total cost, yeah, 460. So that's it. That's it for the answers. I hope you can get it. Yeah, you can pause, you can rewind, replay, yeah, this video. So thank you very much.